Hello cravers! It's another day, it's another craving adventures! Hey cravers! Are you ready for another video? Yala, let's go! Welcome to the Enchanting Bubble in the Forest Cafe, nestled in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand. This cafe is 30 to 45 minutes away from the city. The opening time is from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Can be booked by reservation or walk-in.
Bongga.
This unique cafe offers a magical escape from the city's hustle and bustle, inviting to dine amidst nature in the most extraordinary way.
Where this one? Thank you. This is our place. Oh, kabog.
The Bubble in the Forest Cafe was born from a vision of blending the serenity of nature with the comforts of modern dining.
Mahulog ka dyan, Tino.
The founders were inspired by the beauty of the natural world and aimed to create a sanctuary where visitors could unwind and connect with the nature without leaving the city. As you can see, I believe it is inspired also with Maldives beaches. Hello cravers, comment below and let me know where you're watching from. I'm excited to see where in the world my video reaches. Thank you so much cravers. Kapun ka! The menu at Bubble in the Forest Cafe is a delightful fusion of local delicacies and international cuisine. Emphasizing fresh, organic ingredients, the cafe offers a variety of dishes that cater to diverse tastes. Seasonal themed dishes and drinks add an extra layer of excitement to the dining experience. Hey cravers, just check the menu before the video ends. One of the standout features of the cafe is its transparent air-conditioned bubble domes. But unfortunately, it was closed when we get there. These bubbles provide an immersive dining experience, allowing you to enjoy the lush greenery and twinkling fairy lights, while staying cool and comfortable. The entire cafe is designed with a forest theme, incorporating eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices to promote harmonious relationship with nature. Did you know that the Bubble in the Forest Cafe is a popular spot for influencers and social media enthusiasts? Its picturesque setting and unique dining experience make it a favorable backdrop for stunning photos and videos. The cafe frequently hosts themed dinners and live music nights, adding its vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. Hey Cravers, is this place worth visiting? Comment down below. In conclusion, Bubble in the Forest Cafe is a magical blend of nature, culture, and modern comforts. Whether you're looking for a serene escape, a unique dining experience, or a picturesque spot for your next social media post, this enchanting cafe has something for everyone. Don't miss the chance to visit and create your own memorable moments at the Bubble in the Forest Cafe. Keep an eye out for upcoming events and special promotions that make every visit truly special. Hey Cravers, thank you for joining us on this journey through the fun facts and history of Bubble in the Forest Cafe. We hope to see you there soon, enjoying the magic and beauty of this extraordinary destination. Hey Cravers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you like this video, comment down below together where you are watching from. Thank you so much, Cravers! Cap on cap! And Cravers, see you on the next vlog.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive now.
Today is a very good day. We have many person who have birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Go on!
ใจของเธอและเบอร์โทรเพลงสุดท้ายแล้วจ้า The last song
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me.